Hello everyone, welcome back to EducQuiz for the tutorial sessions, the question parts of the topic number systems. So we are going to start with number 1. I said before, exercise 1, undirected number for integers. Calculate minus 15 plus 9 minus 6. I'm going to start with A. The A part says minus 16 plus 9 minus. Okay, so to calculate this, as we have been doing, we start with the first one. So I'll go to my rough work and write my what is minus 15 plus 9? Okay, I check if in addition because we are adding. So condition means it depends on bigger value has a negative sign. You subtract normally and keep the sign of the bigger value, which is negative. If the bigger value has a positive sign, you will subtract normally and keep the sign of the bigger value, which is negative. In this case, the bigger value has a negative sign. So you subtract normally, which means you remove all of the negatives. No, you don't remove, you just subtract normally the bigger one. Subtract normally, you're going to have 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. The sign of the bigger number, it is negative. The sign of the bigger number is negative, so the answer is minus 6. So the answer for this one here is minus 6. Now you have that minus 6, and this part is minus 6. That will be equal to 1. So to what? Minus 6 minus 6. What is it equal to? You have to recall that when minus and minus are next to each other in an operation, it becomes plus. So if you have 6 minus 6, it is the same like if you have, it is the same as if you have 6 plus 6, which will be 12. So 6 minus 6 is equal to or the same as 6 plus 6, which is 12. So in this case, we have minus 6 minus 6. We have minus, this is a minus 6 plus 6. And minus 6 plus 6 is what? Minus 6 plus 6 is the same like if I put the positive one first and the, so minus 6 plus 6 is 0. 6 minus 6 is also 0. They are the same thing. So here we can see that this, which is this, is equal to minus 6 plus 6. And minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Which implies our final answer here is 0. So we are done with the A part. What is B saying? B says minus. So minus 48 divided by 6 times minus 2. So we start with the first two operations. Let's start with it. When we start with the first two, minus 48 divided by 6 is the same like minus 48 over 6. Okay. So, from our rule here, we have to check if there is minus divided by a plus. Read the rules for division. So, let us check in the multiplication if there is something like minus and plus times plus is equal to minus, which means since it is the same for division, we will have minus a number divided by positive number is going to give negative number. So, what is 48 divided by 6 is equal to minus 8. So this is equal to minus 8 because 48 divided by 6 is 8. Now, since the answer is supposed to be negative, it's going to give minus 8. So this is going to be minus 8 here. This one here is minus 8. So that minus 8 times minus 2, what is it equal to? I come here and I put my minus 8 times minus 2. So negative times negative gives what? Positive. Which means I multiply normally my 8 times 2. Simply. What is 8 times 2? 16. Since it is negative times negative, the answer is positive. So I leave it as positive 16. So here my answer will be 16. The C part says 7 minus minus 3 plus minus 5, which is 7 minus minus 3 plus minus 5. What is it equal to? So let's take this first part first. We always take the first part, then we can deal with the next parts. So the first part says 7 minus minus 3. So we have 7 minus minus 3. We know that when a minus and a minus sign are directly next to each other without a number separating them, it is equal to plus. So it is the same like 7 plus 3. Now what is 7 plus 3? 10. So this one is equal to 10. When I have my 10, I write my plus negative 5 plus 5. 10 plus negative 5 is equal to, when you see a plus and a minus directly close to each other, what is the answer? Plus and minus, we are going to have a minus. So when you see a plus and a minus directly close to each other, you consider just the minus. So what am I writing here? 10 minus 5. And then what is 10 minus 5? 5. I have my answer as 5. So I write 5 here. Here this is plus minus. What is the D part saying? D says minus 4 times minus 3 times 2. Okay, so what is minus 4 times minus 3 times 2? So as we have been doing, we first take the first part here. This minus 4 times minus 3, what is it equal to? Minus 4 times. We know that minus times minus gives a positive answer. So you just multiply your 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3? It's equal to 12. But this, since there is minus times minus, you are going to put a plus on the answer. Okay, so it's just the same like 4 times 3, which is positive 12. Like this. So you put your 12 here times 2. What is 12 times 2? 24. And that is all. So that is all for exercise 1. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you on exercise 2. So till then, keep watching and keep solving with us on EducQuiz.